In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share games on Steam. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use Steam's family feature to let someone you trust access your library safely and easily, all without handing over your account. I'll keep it clear and straightforward, and I'll add helpful tips along the way so nothing catches you off guard. Start by opening the Steam app on your computer and making sure you're signed into the account that owns the games you want to share. It's a good idea to let Steam update first if it asks. Newer features and settings sometimes won't appear until you've updated. Make sure your internet connection is stable, since the next steps happen online. Once Steam is open, go to Settings. On Windows, you'll find it by clicking the Steam menu at the top left and choosing Settings. On Mac, look for Preferences in the same spot. This takes you to the place where account and family options live. In the Settings window, click Family. This is where Steam centralizes everything related to sharing and household access. You'll see the option labeled Create or Manage Family. Select that. If you haven't set up a family yet, this is where you'll create it. If you already have one, you can manage who's in it and who can access your library. From here, invite your friend or family member. Steam will prompt you to send an invitation to their Steam account. Send the invite and let them know to accept it on their end. Once they accept, they'll be added to your family group, and Steam will take care of the sharing in the background. There's nothing else you need to toggle in this flow. After the invite is accepted, your eligible games will appear for them when they're signed in to their own account on their device. A few quick tips to make this smooth. Some titles can't be shared because of technical or publisher restrictions, so if a particular game doesn't show up for them, that may be why. Both accounts should be in good standing and online for first-time access. If the shared library doesn't appear right away, ask them to restart Steam. That usually refreshes the family status. You can return to the family section anytime to see who's in your group and manage access if needed. That's all there is to it. Open Steam, go to Settings, click Family, select Create or Manage Family, and invite your friend or family member. Enjoy playing